Doug Hausman is a newsmaker beyond compare. With more than 40 years of experience in the utility and energy industry, Doug is a trusted advisor and author who has had a hand in shaping standards around the world. He is an authority on grid modernization with unparalleled vision. His passion for mentoring engineers has made him an invaluable colleague and a cornerstone as Burns & McDonnell launched 1898 & Company, a business, technology, and security consulting solutions firm.
People look to Doug for answers when they're trying to figure out how to improve their company or what the future of their company is. In a way, he's ended up as the visionary for the energy storage industry and the renewables and all of these different areas, and people rely on him for what the future could be.
From pioneering new technologies like AMI across the globe to architecting the new grid management systems of the future, he's had a hand in just about every technological revolution in this industry over the past 2 to 3 decades.
While working with Doug on the impacts of distributed energy resources in Michigan, the most important skill I learned from him was how to listen. And for those of you who may know Doug, that's not necessarily what you might think of first, but really he listens to the people around him, takes in the client's problem statement, and then evaluates it and interprets it within the larger framework of the industry.
The rumor has it that when Doug finally accepted the offer to come join Burns & McDonnell, he did so on one condition, and that was that he would be able to spend up to 50% of his time mentoring and training and teaching this next generation of engineers. And when I first heard that story, I loved it because I was like, this is a guy that really cares. He's not about the ego and building up his own expertise and his own project portfolio. This is somebody that really cares about the industry, and he cares about the well-being of it after he moves on.
Doug he has this amazing ability to just be able to pick up and have a lot of knowledge on any topic. I mean, we would have conversations where someone will bring up beekeeping or model rocket making, and Doug will not even just have heard or read about that, but probably has done it for 10 years. His amazing desire to stay curious and to learn and to continuously grow despite his vast experience is inspiring, and I think that's really what he's brought as a mentor to a career.
For me, the two things that are important professionally are having fun and making a difference. This is how we make our clients successful, and this success comes from teamwork and good engineers. And making us better is how Doug helps to make our clients successful. Thanks, Doug.
For those of us that are lucky enough to have worked with Doug, I think his legacy is a lot more about be more and be better. And the interesting thing is he doesn't even have to ask for it. Just being around him, working with him, he inspires it. To me, that's the legacy he's going to leave.
A big part of his legacy will no doubt be his professional accomplishments and his, everything he's done for the power industry. An industry titan, a progressive, brilliant mind that's continued to push the industry forward. But another big part of his legacy will be his family. He's a proud father of 3, a devoted husband, and he glows every time he talks about his family. So no doubt a big part of his legacy will be the family that he has built and shaped and ultimately made this world a better place.
Congratulations to Doug Hausman, one of ENR's top 25 newsmakers.